Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel MrRoy. Exercise 9.2, question number 2 onward. In question number 2, I would like to say please watch 9.2 previous video, like question number 1 and the explanation of the composite function. That will be easy for you to understand these questions. So in question number 2 part A, we have the first function is 2x plus 3. The second function, what we need f squared. So f square means we have to write f of f. So it means I have to write the same equation in the the given equation. So f is 2 and x I will write the whole equation, which is 2x plus 3. I give a little introduction. This f of 2 is equals to, when we have this situation, we write 2 here. So it means this 2 will be substituted in the equation of function. But when it's given f of f, it means we are talking about f and this f. Means the whole equation will be substituted in f. So that's why the whole equation is replaced with this x. Now when we simplify it, it's coming 2x is 4x plus 6 and plus 3. So finally it's coming 4x plus 9, and we have done it. Second part is after f squared is f cube. We have to observe actually something. F cube means we can write f and f squared, or you can write f squared f. When I do first part, like f squared means I have to substitute the f squared equation in the given f. So f is 2 and bracket open and plus 3. I will write here x squared, the result for x plus 9. So what's the result actually? Let's see. The result is coming 8x plus 18 and plus 3. So finally is coming 8x plus 21. So now if I want to do the same part in the other way, like f squared f means I have to write like f in f square equation. F square is here 4, and I will write in the bracket in plus 9. Here in the bracket, I will write the value of f, the equation 2x plus 3. And we have to check actually this, do we have the right answer or not? It's coming 8x plus 12 plus 9. So 8x plus 12 and 9 is 21. So we have the same answer. You can check. So it means we have to understand this f square or f square f, no problem. You can have the same answer. So now moving to if I do the second part, any other part like part D. In part D, we can say like f of x, we can write like this, f of x is 3 upon, I think so I should do B part because B we have 2 times x. And C is also we have 2 times 6, 3x upon x minus 1. If you want to find f squared, it means f into f. And please, it's not multiply. This is f means f in f. So what we do this in the place of x, I will write the whole 3x, the whole equation. I have to substitute here like this 3x upon x minus 1 and 3x upon x minus 1. This is actually the topic, the composite function. When we move further, what we can do, this will become 9x and x minus 1. And here, if you take the LCM, is coming 3x, and if I just write in detail, the LCM is x minus 1. So 3x and minus this 1 will multiply with x minus 1 in the denominator. And when we simplify, is coming 9x divided by x minus 1. And here x minus 1 is in the denominator and 3x minus x and plus 1. So this denominator will be cancelled out, and we have only 9x divided by 2x and plus 1. So if we want to check the answer, we can move, like we can check the answer of 9.2, question number 1. So we can check the, like, question number 2, 9.2, question number 2. The first part are, like, we can see the part A, 4x plus 9, 8x plus 21. So 4x plus 9 is here and 8x plus 21. Part B, when we move to part B, 9x upon 2x plus 1, 9x upon 2x plus 1 we have done. So when we move to cube, so what we have to do, we have to write two possibilities. You can write like f squared f, or you can write f squared. Like you can substitute f squared in f or f in f squared. So it's up to you. If I use the first part like f in f squared, then I have to take this equation 9. In the bracket, I will write the whole equation of f, and the equation of f is 3x upon x minus 1 and 3x upon x minus 1. You need to simplify now and get the answer. This is question number 2. In question number 3, two functions are given. F of x is like, okay, the first part I'm moving, f of x and g of x both are given. And we need, the first condition is f is equals to g. So this means that we have to equate f of x, even if you can write f of x is equals to g of x is the same thing. 3x plus 4 is equals to x squared plus 6. Now we need to simplify. I write this square positive first, then 3x is negative, and this is coming plus 2 is equal to 0. If I'm not wrong, 6 minus 4 is 2, and that. Multiply to get 2 and plus to get 3. Factors are, I think so, possible x and minus 2x, I think so. If you take common, x is common, x minus 1. Nothing, like 2 is common, x minus 1. So x minus 1 and x minus 2. So x is coming 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0 means x is coming 2. We have done it. Part B, you can see we need f, g and gf. So it means you have to find f, g first means g in f. So g in f means you have to copy 3, and in the bracket, in the place of x, you have to write the whole equation of gx squared and plus 6, and you need to simplify this. 3x squared plus 18 and plus 4, and finally is coming 3x squared plus 22. And now we have to find gf. So f in g means I have to write the whole equation of f in the place of x and g, and that's 3x plus 4. So you have to like simplify, use the perfect square formula, a square plus 2ab, so it's coming 9x squared, 24x and plus 16, and then copy 6. And when you simplify, it's coming 9x squared plus 24x and plus 24. So now what's the condition? The condition is both are equal. So we, by using condition f, g is equals to gf. So I write 3x squared plus 22 is equals to 9x squared plus 24x and plus 24. And you can simplify, and I think so there is no problem to find the value of x now. So question number 4, part A, the equation is given f of x for the domain this, and we have to find the f squared in a similar form and the range of f squared. So let's see. In part A, f of x is 3x plus 2 for the domain minus 1, 2. So we need to find the f square. F square means I have to write f in f, like 3x plus 2, and the plus 2 is outside. So f squared is coming 9x plus 6 and plus 2 is becoming. Please don't make the square of function f, please. So this is the function and the domain will remain the same. So now we have to find the range. How we can find the range of this question? Because this is a linear form, it's not a quadratic form. So we do not need to think about to sketch the and the turning point. So just very simple, put -1 first in the equation. -1 and is coming -9 and plus 8 is coming -1. And now put like 2 here to find the range. 9 times 2 plus 8 is 18 plus 8 is 26. So the range is coming f square range, or you can write fx like this, is -1 to 26. So in question number 5, you can see that we have two functions, f of x and g of x. And the first requirement is to write if fg is equals to gf for all the values of x, find the relation between p and q. Okay, so first part is a relation between p and q, and given that p is 3, find the values of x. Okay, so the first is like we have to write f of x is equals to 2x plus p, and g of x is equals to 3x plus q. The first thing is what? Like both are equal, so f, g, I told you the g should be substituted in f. So g is 3x plus q. As this is the second video, like, so please watch 9.2 first video to understand what is composite function. So fg is equals to 6x plus 2q and plus p. This is fg. Now we need to find gf. And I told you when you want to find gf, the whole equation of f will be substituted in g in the place of x here. So this is 2x plus p and plus q. When you simplify, gf is equals to 6x plus 3p and plus q. And the condition, as condition is given here, like fg is equals to gf. So we can write 6x plus 2q plus p is equals to 6x plus 3p and plus q. That's here. And when we move, this 6x and 6x will be cancelled out. And we need to write the relation between p and q. So is up to you. You can write p or q in left hand side. So 2q and this q is minus q is equals to 3p minus p. This moving right hand side. So q is equals to 2p, and we got the relation first. Moving to part B, like in given that P is 3, so the Q will be definitely 2P means 2 times 3 is 6. So for this is A part, and we're finding the value of X. So A condition is F square is equals to G. And please remember, when you want to find f square, means f on f does not mean that you have to write 2x plus p whole square. This is wrong. You have to write like 2x plus p, and in this place of x, you have to write once again 2x plus p. Like f and f in f should be substituted in the place of x. So this is f squared, and this is coming 4x plus 2p and plus p. So f squared is coming 4x plus 3p. Now, what's the condition? The condition is like f square equals to g, and f square is 4x plus 3p, and g is 3x plus q, 3x plus q. So now what we have to write, 4x, 3x will move in left hand side, so it's coming 3x is equals to q minus 3p, This is coming only x, q is 6, and this is 2. No, this q is p is 3, and x is coming 6 minus 9 is minus 3, and we have done this part. And moving to part B now. In part B, we have g square equals to f. So it's okay. So g square means g of g. G in g means 3x. I will write 3x plus q, and outside is also q. So this is coming g squared. This is 9x plus 3q, and q is 4q. I'm writing directly. And the condition is g squared is equals to f, means I will write g squared is 9x plus 4q, and f is 2x plus p. So 9x and this will become 7x, and 4q is about q is 6. We have already found the value of q here, and is equals to p is already 3. So now 7x is equals to 3 minus this is 24 is coming 21. This is minus 21 upon 7 is coming x equals to minus 3. We are having both the times values minus. Let me check the answer. This is, you can see question number 5, q equals to 2p, minus 3 and minus 3. We have done right. There is no problem. Yes. Question number 6. In question number 6, we have f of x is equals to 2x minus 1, and the g of x is equals to x upon x plus 1. Okay. Don't worry about this because x cannot be like 1 minus 1. When you write minus 1 is coming, it should be minus 1 actually. Uh, Expression in the same form, g, f, g, and g, f, find the value. Okay, I think so. In this part, like if you want to find f, g or g, f, and when you equate this, I think so you can get the answer. It's the same thing we have done this type of question. I'm not doing this part. Question number Question number 7. We have the function f of x, and another function g is in the quad. Okay, this is gf. This is not only g. So express gf in the form of this first of all, and hence write down the value of g. This is like very good part. So I'm doing this part first. Gf. This is already given the question. Express this in the form of this form, complete square form. Okay, let's see. This equation, I'm just need to copy this, and I want to convert this into complete squared form. Okay, there are two methods to write this equation in this form. The first is like I know that we can make it half, and this square and plus 5, and this is coming x plus 1 whole square, and this is coming plus 4. I have made it, and you can see there is 1, and you can find all the values. A is 1, B is 4. But if you have problem to use this method, I would like to say this, you can use directly this method, the x squared plus 2x plus 5, and this is the little lengthy method, but you will get the answer 100% right. There is a possibility here to have some mistake, but I think so there is no problem to have the mistake here. Use complete square formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and plus b is outside. It will take just about 1 minute. X squared plus 2ax plus a plus b, and you can write x squared, and completing the coefficient, we can compare the coefficient ax squared with x squared. This is 1, so a is coming 1. We got the value of a is 1. Okay, now we need to find the value of b. So a plus b equals to 5. Directly we can write, because coefficient, the constant terms are there, and a is 1, so b is coming 4. So now I just need to put the value here in this equation. in this equation. So this will become a is 1, x plus 1 whole square and plus b is 4. So I have the same answer as like there is no problem. You can use any of the method. Completing the square is difficult. Be careful. There is one option in completing square method I'll discuss like later. So this is the equation of GF means the F is substituted in G. This is the actually the meaning I'm writing also here. This is the equation of this X. You write or no, there is no problem. I'm not writing. It means the F is substituted in G. Just observe one thing here. The X is the f of x is already x plus 1. Can you find where is this? This is here. This is here. Only this part. So it means this is the part where fx is substituted. So it means for g, for only g, this should be only x with squared plus 4 and we got it. This is the like equation for gx or you can write g of x. Because this part, when you see this part, only this is x plus 1 and I have x plus 1 is equals to f of x. So I can write here only x because when you like x substituted here x plus 1. So this is the way we have done it. And I think this was a good question. We have some types of question in the exam. Okay, moving to like few questions, like question number 8. Like we have some good questions in the paper now, in that book. In question number 8, the f of x is ax plus b and f cube. F cube is 27x and plus 26. Find the value of a and b. This type of question we have in the exam. What we do in this part, first of all, we have to find f cube. So f cube, I have to find f square first. Like f square, and f square means I will substitute f in f. So a, this position I will write once again ax plus b, and b is also outside. So now your equation of f square is coming a square x, and there is some no, a square x plus ab and plus b. Second point, like what you have to do when you want to write the f cube, there are two possibilities. You can write f square f, or you can write f square. There will be no problem. It's up to you. So what I'm doing, I'm writing f square. F means in f square, in the place of x, I am substituting the whole equation of f. This equation I'm writing here once again ax plus b in the place of this x. Now, when we simplify, it's coming a cube x plus a square b plus ab and plus b, and this is the equation of f cube. Now, when you observe this, the f cube equation is already given without the value of a, and like this is already a complete equation. All values are known. So we can equate this whole equation with this because both are equals to cube. AB and plus B is equals to 27 x plus 26. This is x and this is x only. So a cube x is equals to, comparing the coefficient, a cube is 27. So 27 means we can write 3 cube, and 3 cube means a is coming 3. Or you can write the cube, take out the cube root. Okay, we got the value of a. Now, when you want to find the value of b, you have to use whole like this value a square b, because this is constant, is equals to 26. When you know the value of like a is 3 square b, 3b, you can write just b plus b is equals to 26. This is 9b plus 3b plus b is equals to 26. So 9, 10 is 13b is equals to 26, and 26 upon 13 is coming 2, and we have done it. Let me check the answer. Okay, we can find the answer. There is no problem. So fx is normally ax plus b means is 3a plus and b is 2. So now this is fx and this is f cube x. When you want to find the b part is f4. So f4 means there are like you can write f cube f or you can write f cube is up to you. So now this equation will be used and this equation will be used to make the equation or the expression for f power 4. There is no problem. Okay, let me check the answer. It's 3a plus 2n 3 2. So question number 8 is there a 3 and 2 and we have done it right. Yeah, so 3 and 2. Moving to question number 9. I am ready with all the questions actually. When I need, I have to do it. But sometimes the video becomes very lengthy, so I make it short. So question number 9, when you see question number 9, the fx is given, gx is given, and we need to obtain f square. There is no problem, I think so. And given that in the b part, given that G3 is 8 and GF2 is 5, calculate the value of A and B. I think so. The first part I'm not doing, this easy part. In B part, I can like do one thing. This G of X is AX plus B. So 3, when I write here 3, this is, be careful here. Please don't write 8 here. Be careful. You have to write A with 3 plus B first. Then this 8 will be written here because the whole value of G3 is 8. Normally students have the problem to understand this part, like to understand this part only. So I'm writing G3 is 8. Be careful. In the second part, you have to find GF first. Normally, GF means I have to put all like equation of F in G. So A, and in the place of X, I will write the equation x like fx x upon x minus 1. Now, what you can do, you don't need to simplify, just you can do it directly uh, here 2, and the answer is coming 2 upon 2 minus 1 plus b. I have to give one more possibility. That's how we can work on it without like the long calculation. It's 2 upon 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's 2a plus b. This was the like lengthy one when I used. What's the second possibility to find GF2? Okay, let's see. In this part, you have to find f of 2 first. What is f of 2? The f of 2 is 2 upon 2 minus 1, and f of 2 is coming, is only 2. Now, what you have to do, like we have already got the value of f of 2, which is equals to 2. This is equals to 2. So, can we write this now? G of 2. And when you write G of 2 in the equation of G, like Ax plus, so A times 2 plus B is coming 2A plus B, and we have the same answer. So, this is also the way, the easiest way. Like, for example, you have uh, F G H of 2. What we have to do here? First find H of 2. We got the value, suppose 3. Then find G of 3. We got the value of 4, suppose. Then you have to find F of 4. So it means this 3 steps will give this like that. There is no problem. This is the easiest way to find, like in the composite function, you can do it. I think so. When you know the value of and you have to use simultaneous equation now, and you can get the answer. 8 is equals to 3a plus b, and here is okay. G of 2 is equals, this value is equals to 5, like whole value is equals to 5. So I write 5 equals to 2a plus b. You can use elimination method, like sign will be changed, or you can use any 3. A minus is A only, and it's coming 3. So we got the answer A equals to 3. Let me check the answer of question number 9. Question number 9, A3, B is minus 1. A is 3, so B will be equals to, we have to find 8 is equals to 3 times, like A is 3. So 8 plus is equals to 9 plus B. So B is absolutely coming minus 1. So now, by this way, we have done the question number 9. Next video, I will try my best to complete the whole exercise 9.2. When you think this video is useful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel. This is normal to say, and please share with your friends, your class fellows, so that they can understand this in this situation when we have the lockdown and we cannot go out for the tuition. Thank you so much and have a nice day.